candle without blowing it.
Yeah.
For this experiment, you're gonna need a lighter, a candle, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, a funnel, and a bottle. Now we're gonna start the experiment.
First, we're gonna open the bottle.
And put the funnel inside. So first, we're gonna get our baking soda and we're gonna pour it into the funnel.
Now we're gonna get our vinegar.
Wait for this to go in all the
Oh
way.
yeah.
Like put the vinegar.
In the vinegar.
Now we're gonna cap the bottle and my dad is gonna light the candle and you guys see the magic.
Yep, it's gonna be really cool.
So,
I love it.
Next, we're gonna open up the bottle.
Yep.
And then we're gonna tilt it, but not pour it in. So gonna tilt it. And then the candles just came out. Oh, smoke everywhere.
Okay.
Ew.
Look, when I put the smoke up, like Now I'm gonna try mine for myself.
Open it. Oh, guys, it actually went out this time. I don't want it to come out because we did it the second time. This is so cool.
The smoke is so bad.
Guys, as we put the vinegar and baking soda in here, it produced carbon dioxide. So now the carbon dioxide is heavier than the air in the bottle. So when we tilted it into here, the carbon dioxide was released, causing the candle to blow out. So guys, what does flames need to burn? Oxygen!
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to know when we post a new video.